The digital landscape has witnessed a paradigm shift with the rise of artificial intelligence, AI tools. These powerful technologies have revolutionized various industries, including online entrepreneurship. Today, an increasing number of individuals are utilizing AI tools to capitalize on the vast opportunities presented by the internet. In this post, we will explore the reasons behind this growing trend and provide examples of how people are leveraging AI to make money online. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. AI tools streamline mundane and repetitive tasks, enabling entrepreneurs to focus on more strategic and revenue-generating activities. For instance, content creators can use AI-powered writing assistants to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media captions swiftly. This allows them to produce more content, engage with their audience, and drive traffic to their websites. Improved personalization. Personalization is key to online success, as it enhances user experiences and boosts customer satisfaction. AI tools provide invaluable insights into user behavior and preferences, enabling entrepreneurs to tailor their offerings accordingly. For instance, e-commerce businesses utilize AI algorithms to analyze customer data, recommend personalized products, and optimize pricing strategies, leading to increased conversions and revenue. Data analysis and insights. The sheer volume of data generated in the digital realm can be overwhelming. However, AI tools excel at processing and analyzing large datasets to extract valuable insights. Entrepreneurs leverage these tools to gain a deeper understanding of their target audience, market trends, and competitor strategies. By harnessing these insights, they can make informed decisions regarding product development, marketing campaigns, and business expansion, resulting in higher profitability. Chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants have transformed customer service and support functions. These intelligent tools can handle inquiries, provide instant responses, and even perform basic transactions autonomously. By integrating chatbots into their websites or messaging platforms, entrepreneurs can offer round-the-clock customer support, leading to increased customer satisfaction and improved conversion rates. Marketing and advertising automation. AI tools have revolutionized marketing and advertising, making campaigns more efficient and cost-effective. For example, AI-powered platforms help entrepreneurs optimize ad targeting, audience segmentation, and budget allocation, maximizing the return on investment, ROI. Furthermore, AI algorithms analyze consumer behavior and sentiment, allowing businesses to create compelling content and personalized advertisements that resonate with their target audience. Algorithmic trading and investment strategies. The financial sector has embraced AI tools for algorithmic trading and investment strategies. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and predict market trends with remarkable accuracy. As a result, individuals are leveraging these AI-powered tools to automate their trading decisions, manage portfolios, and execute profitable investment strategies in real time. Content curation and recommendation systems. The abundance of online content necessitates efficient content curation and recommendation systems. AI tools help entrepreneurs sift through massive amounts of data, curate relevant content, and deliver personalized recommendations to users. This approach boosts user engagement, increases website traffic, and opens doors for monetization opportunities through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Voice and image recognition. The proliferation of voice-activated assistants and image recognition technologies has created new avenues for entrepreneurs to monetize their offerings. AI-powered voice assistants enable users to make purchases, book services, and receive recommendations simply by using their voice. Additionally, image recognition technology can be leveraged in various industries such as fashion, art, and e-commerce, enabling entrepreneurs to monetize visual content through targeted advertising and affiliate partnerships. Conclusion. The emergence of AI tools has significantly impacted how people make money online. From improved efficiency and productivity to personalized marketing and automated trading, the potential applications of AI are vast and diverse. Entrepreneurs who embrace these tools can unlock new opportunities, optimize their operations, and stay ahead of the competition in the dynamic digital landscape. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and lucrative ways for individuals to leverage these technologies for online success. Some examples: Pictory.ai, Flicky.ai, Firefly.ai, Vade.io, Originality.ai, Zoomscape.ai, Beautiful.ai, East-PZ.ai. Links in the description.